Hey people, welcome back to my channel again. It's me, Adeze Chimsum, and guys, today we'll be making Zobo drink. And here is my hibiscus flower already neatly picked, okay? And you know that this hibiscus flower has so many health benefits. So which includes is a good source of vitamin C, as we all know, and also promotes weight loss, okay? By the way, here is my orange, and orange also is a good source of vitamin C, okay? So this is oyayak or Indian fruit, okay? It has so many health benefits. It helps manage diabetes, helps to lower blood pressure, okay? And so many other potential health benefits. So here I have the clove, cinnamon, and ginger. Here is our dates. Dates helps in better digestion, and also it helps to promote the bone health. It also improves brain functioning. So here is our pineapple, the orange, dates, and then these four ingredients. Next, we proceed to wash Zobo leaf, okay? So I wash this twice because most of the times you find that there are particles of sand beneath the Zobo leaf while washing it, okay? So I washed this twice until it was very clean, right? And I was fast about it so you won't wash out all the juices. So after that, I proceeded to cut the pineapple, okay? So I used the pineapple skin to boil down the hibiscus flower, that's the zobo leaf, okay? And then for the flesh, I had to blend this and juice it out. So after that, I added the oyayak, cinnamon, ginger, and the cloves. I boiled this down for 45 to 50 minutes, and that's perfect for me, okay? And as for the water, I make sure that the water covered the whole zobo leaves and every other thing I added into the pot, okay? So here I have the pineapple flesh, and I had to take out this spoiled parts, yeah, because it's going to change or spoil the taste of our Zobo drink. So I'll be using this blender and then pouring some water, blend it, and then later I'm going to sieve this out smoothly to get the juice out of it, okay? So after squeezing out the juice from the orange and also blending the pineapple, this is our date. But before then, I soaked this date in the water for over 1 hour, okay, to get it soft and ready for blending, right? So I removed the seed, and this was what it looked like, and added enough water into the blender to help the blaze of my blender. And this is our date paste, looking so nice, okay? So I'll set this aside, and once our Zobo drink or Zobo juice is ready, you see how I'm going to add every other thing. So keep watching, guys. So our Zobo juice is ready, and this was just the first boil. I'm still going to boil this the second time, okay? Because you can see this first one is just so thick, and I poured it into the pot, and I found out that I can still get out some juice out of it. So I added extra water to the pot and checked the thickness. This was just okay. I didn't want to add extra water, okay? And then I had to boil this down just for a few minutes and transfer it again, okay? So this was all we got from this first boiling and also the second boiling, and you can see it's not that bad. Okay, it's not too light, it's not too thick, it was just okay, it was just perfect. Okay, and the next thing we go into sieve these, and I use a very tight sieve, okay, just to make sure there are no particles inside this juice, because we just want to have a a very smooth drink, right? So you have to sieve this out and also make sure there are no sand or Zobo particles in there. It's time for us to add in our sweeteners, because for this Zobo drink, no artificial sugar is going in here, because we have our orange, pineapple, and dates. So I'll pour in the orange juice into the pineapple juice and pour this into the Zobo drink. And for the dates, I'm going to pour it inside also and turn these thoroughly to make sure there are no lumps or date lumps inside the Zobo drink, okay? And that was it. It was not too sweet. This was not, if you're a sweet tooth person, you might not like this, okay? Because it was not so sweet. If you want this extra sweet, you have to add extra dates, more dates, or add sugar, okay? That's if you're a very sweet tooth person. But this was just perfect for me. It was perfect for my family too, okay? So after allowing my Zobo drink to cool down for a few minutes, I had to bottle this and store in the fridge or freezer, okay? This tasted so nice, and like I said before, it's not so sweet. If you're a sweet tooth person, you might want to add extra sugar. As for mine, I added extra sugar just for 3 cans, and I'll show you before the end of this video. If you watch this video to this point, please do not forget to hit that like button, okay? Please like my video and subscribe to this channel. These are the 3 cans I added extra sugar, okay? Guys, thank you all for watching, and see you in my next one. And do not forget to share this video to your loved ones and drop a comment and tell me what you think, okay? See you and bye again.